In this TypeScript-enabled Vue.js 3 project, we begin by importing inject, provide, and define component from Vue. We also import the type InjectionKey, which is going to be used to create a TypeSafe token for our provide inject mechanism. Using TypeScript, we create a constant key, which is an injection key of type string, and assign it a unique symbol. This key will act as a unique identifier for our injectable data. We define a provider component with a setup function. Inside this function, we call the provide method. It takes our symbol-based key and the value we want to provide, which is a string hello world in this example. This makes hello world available for injection to any child components. In a separate file, we import define component and inject from Vue, and again the type injection key. We'll now create the injector component that can receive the provided value. We need to define the same injection key here. It's important that this symbol matches the one used in the provider component to ensure the correct value is injected. In our injector component's setup function, we call the inject method with the same key. The result is stored in injected value. We check if injected value is defined, which it will be if the value has been successfully provided by an ancestor component. Then we simply log this value to the console, knowing that TypeScript understands it to be a string.